Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna jumping back on the Volkswagen since it's been a few days since I applied primer, primer, or applied however you wanna say, and it's time to start sanding the primer. I painted BMW roof yesterday, so it's current right now, and as you guys saw previous episode about the BMW, I had some issue with the sunroof, so today is the weekend, I can't get a hold of anybody or can't find the part, so I decided in order not to lose the time, I'm gonna be working on Volkswagen Jetta that I'm doing for my sister, as many, I would say 90% of you guys know. So sits over here as usual without a battery, still struggling with the batteries. It's always a problem. Every single car have a battery, but every single car have a bad battery. So I had to pull out one from BMW, the one I have for parts, and I'm using this one for that BMW, for this Jetta. It is what it is. Let's get this car in the front of the garage, get some sandpaper and start sanding some primer down. Let's get it rolling. First I'm gonna start with this side. First I'm gonna do this quarter panel and this section of the rocker, only this section, because underneath and everything else I don't need to sand out pretty good. All I have to do just prepare for the rock chip, no, not the rock chip, whatever the stuff that you spray on, so it's the same stuff. Rock chip guard, I believe it's called, this stuff over here. So you can see it goes all the way to here, so that's why I need to prepare only this side, and that I just need to slightly sand it down, and before I paint it I need to apply chip guard. But other than that, it should be pretty simple. So first things first, for an easy process, easy sanding in taking care of whatever runs I have. It looks like I have a small run over here and lots of runs over here. They all over. You will see when I'm gonna start sanding this side, you will see them. But in order to make the process easy, I'll start with the 320 white sanded 320. I'm gonna go over it, gonna apply a guide code, and then I'll go over 600 and kind of gonna prepare a whole side for the paint. But I think I just gonna go with the 320 this side, 320 that side, and call it good for today, because you can see it's already afternoon. It's probably right around 3, yep, exactly 3:04. So that means it's gonna take me at least 2-3 hours to do just 320 and then 600 and then start preparing. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to prepare this vehicle over the weekends for painting, and hopefully next week I can paint it. Hopefully I will have time, because next week is gonna be super busy for me, man. This sun in my eyes. So anyway, let's get to work and let's knock this primer down. Yesterday I was a bit too lazy to get the BMW off of there, to put the Jetta there to continue working. I instead installed the light here, finished it, and again it was time to go relax, right? You can't work every day from morning till night. You gotta give some little bit of free time for yourself, right? So I did finish with the 320 and 600. You might have saw I didn't touch these edges, and the reason behind it, I'm gonna put a tape and I'm gonna finish the edges. Other than that, it's complete. I still have to work with the rocker, but I kind of wanted to finish the both sides of the vehicle and then move to the other rocker and then move to finish it all the way here. And also, as you guys see, I totally forgot about this piece. This needs to be taken care of, primed. I have a primer from a can. It will dry fast, and I still have plenty of time to prepare it. So let's finish those edges, put a tape, finish the edges on both sides. Then I will jump on the rocker panel, finish a rocker, and after that the whole car can be prepared. But we'll talk about it later. Completely done with the primer. It's all ready to be painted. So now what I can do is I can pull this door off, install that door, and same thing on this side. These two doors needs to be replaced. And also, by looking at this vehicle, I'm thinking I'm not gonna be painting a roof, because over here you can see it drops down. There's a little dip inside, so if I can backmask it here, and when I'm painting I'm not over, then you can't see the was painted. So that way I don't have to disassemble antennas, send extra stuff, you know. But the tailgate obviously needs to be painted because both sides are gonna be painted, so it needs to be a blend. So tailgate I'm gonna disassemble. This door should be easy to take it off. I believe I can unplug it over here, take that bolt, and I can install that door. I believe that's it. The whole car can be prepared for a paint. I still have to paint that hood over there, but their damage needs to be fixed, and I don't want to do bundle work on it, so I'm thinking to drop it off at the dent repair so he can repair it and I can paint it. But there's plenty of work before that. So this door needs to be disassembled, the trunk needs to be disassembled, now doors needs to be replaced, the fender needs to be attached, and everything needs to be prepared for paint. So that's gonna be a long process. Now let's change those 3 doors and go from there. Check this out, man. Finally start looking like a car, huh? Man, I can't wait when this thing gonna be fully painted. Quarter panel prepared, doors prepared. Girls helped me out with the doors. They prepared them long ago. Fender needs to be sanded down, but that's no biggie at all. This fender is already prepared, door is already prepared. All I have left to do is finish this door, finish that, finish this, and I would say this side would be completely done. Things start moving. Things finally start moving. I'm really happy how everything coming out, how everything goes. So today I'm gonna have to stop right here because tomorrow I'm working and I need to prepare my truck for work. I need to check everything, take all the garbage off of the bed because I'm going to build a garage, and that garage 24/24. There's a lot of stuff and I'm gonna be delivering all that garage in one haul, so I need some time to clean out the bed. So that's why I need to finish it right now. So I'll continue probably next week. Not a whole lot left, but still things needs to be done. So in order for me to complete the Jetta preparation for the paint, I decided to paint under the hood. Under the hood is ready. I'm gonna take off the fenders and gonna paint the gems on the fenders also, because they need to be painted. I don't wanna paint the hood separately from the car, so it's gotta be on the car. Since I'm gonna have a lot of stuff to be painted, the whole car needs to be painted. Two bumpers gonna be in this area, the car is gonna be in that bay, and bunch of other stuff like side mirror covers and all that stuff. So today I want to paint the gems on the fenders, under the hood, and also hinges. And after that I'm gonna be able to install all that back, make gaps before I paint so I don't scratch anything and that. And then after that I can paint the whole car, but the whole car needs to be prepared first. We're getting there, so let's get those parts painted. That's it, I'm done painting. Everything came out pretty smoothly. I like how everything coming along after the body work that I've been stuck with. Now everything seems like coming real quick. Seems like I'm gonna be on track really soon with all of my projects. Like I said, guys, everything went pretty nice. Nothing huge over here. Few small parts to paint. Hopefully in next episode I'm gonna able to install all of that, made all the gaps on the vehicle, prepare everything, take off those couple of handles. I mean, there's still tons of work to prepare before painting. Whole roof needs to be prepared. There's tons of work still needs to be done, but hey guys, I'm gonna be doing that in next episode. That's gonna be wrap for today's episode. Hope you enjoy it. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button and leave your thoughts down below. I want to see what you think. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, by the way, if you want to see Inside Scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.